Hello, Simple Tech Buzz new video. We've got the all new diesel earbuds in. Now they'll be looking forward to getting these. These come in both red and black. But this is the brand's first venture into the true wireless community. And I've been looking really forward to these. And they come in black, as I said. So you'll be able to get them on Diesel, Amazon and so on. And they've got a 32-hour total battery life. And the case doubles as a charging portal, as we know, and you've got multifunction buttons and all that kind of stuff, and USB-C with Bluetooth 5.0. so they've got everything there, but it's the colour of these particular ones that got me. You can see here you have got on the side you can skip and reverse tracks and all that kind of stuff there, but we'll go through all them controls when we test them out, and if you've got anything you need asking, please feel free to ask in the meantime. So that's it there, so pretty interesting. Let's have a look at them. So we have got a card with the scan the QR code for more information. You've got the earbuds and you've got the bits inside. So let's have a look at these first. So you've got your booklet information. So that's that. Down there as well. So in here you've got your cable, and it's black, so it comes with some caps on it there to keep the dust out and so on, which is nice. And in here you've got extra tips, and they are red as well, which is cool. So that's all you're going to get in the box. Right, on to the main product. Here we go. Really cool case. Really love this case, and it's got the Diesel embedded in it there, and the for successful living in raised letters on the case. It's got this kind of band going around here, LEDs here, USB-C port on the back, and it swivels open, so there you go. Opens both ways. LEDs here. Let's check them out. So first of all, let's check the magnets. They won't be falling out. And let's take out the earbuds. So that's what it looks like inside the case. And here is the earbuds. So they do have some little tabs on them there. Let's take them off. That's to stop them connecting during transport and all that. So that's them there. So your touch area appears to be here, and it's kind of sunken down, and you've got the Diesel logo branding on both sides, and you've got your tips here, your magnetic points there, and left and right marked, and that's what they look like up close, and they look really nice. So they've got a bit of a stem on them as well, and that's it. So they do have this kind of standout appearance, being the colour they are, and they shouldn't be too much problem to use with this area here to help you navigate even better to your point of touch. And you can see you've got LED light coming on there as well. So that's basically it and what they look like. So stay tuned for the full review coming soon. Any questions, of course, you know what to do. Hit us up on techbuzzireland.com, and we will get back to you very, very soon. All comments are answered as well on our site on YouTube. So as people do, if you have questions to ask, feel free to do so, and we'll answer them for you. So that's it now. They look pretty nice. Let's get to it and see how they sound. So stay tuned for a full review coming soon on techbuzzireland.com.